In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Nioh 3 to enable cheats like ultimate health, stamina, and more. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone version, select the latest version. Once download done, select this folder icon, double click on the trainer exe, select yes option, and you need to launch the game. Once you are in game, pause the game and press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To find the sparking, I'm gonna turn on super damage one hit kills. Just one hit, the enemy dies. And as you can see, way more easier to play now. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.